In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo with Higgsfield AI in Paint. We're going to walk through a simple, practical workflow that uses Higgsfield AI's in-painting tool to make targeted edits to any photo. This is perfect for removing distractions, changing small details, or enhancing specific parts of an image while keeping everything else intact. First, head over to the Higgsfield AI website in your browser. Once the page loads, hover to Edit. This action reveals the editing interface where you can access the available tools. You'll see a few options, and you can choose whichever fits your goal. For this demonstration, we'll use InPaint because it excels at editing selected areas without affecting the rest of the photo. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Choose a clear image with good lighting for the best results. Most common formats will work fine. As a quick tip, make sure you have the rights to edit the image, especially if it isn't your own. When your photo is visible on the canvas, it's time to brush the area you want to change. Select the brush and adjust its size so it matches the level of detail you're working on. For broad regions, use a larger brush. For precise edges or small objects, switch to a smaller brush and zoom in for accuracy. Carefully paint over only the part you want the AI to modify. Clean masks tend to produce cleaner results, so take an extra moment to trace edges neatly and avoid spilling into areas you want to preserve. With your area selected, add a prompt describing what you want the AI to do. Be clear and specific. Instead of a vague instruction, say what should happen, such as remove an object, replace it with something else, or adjust a feature. You can include details like color, material, style, or mood if relevant. The more precise your description, the more likely you are to get the result you're imagining. Now click on Generate. The AI will analyze your mask and prompt, then produce an edited version of your photo. Give it a moment to process. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your mask for cleaner boundaries or adjust the wording of your prompt to be more specific or less restrictive, and generate again. Small changes can make a big difference. That's it. Once you're happy with the output, you're done. You've just used Higgsfield AI's InPaint tool to make a focused, professional-looking edit with minimal effort.